Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a desk using augmented reality. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Planner 5D app. And in the Planner 5D app, you just have to go to the Tools section because when you open it the first time, it's going to land at the home page. Now go to the Tools section, and at the Tools section, you just have to tap on the Furniture Try-On. And now from here, your device is going to open up its camera, so you can scan your room or environment. Then tap on the plus icon and go to Office Furniture and tap on Desks. So from here, there is a huge list with all the different desk options that really exist. And you can choose one and place it inside your room to see if it would fit your style or not. Let's choose this one. This looks quite interesting. Just tap on the check mark and this huge desk is right now in my room. So you can walk around it. You can see the texture. You can see that it has a cup holder. You can see the color, the size, the height of the furniture. You can also walk through it because it's not a real furniture. Voila. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can see the height. You can look under it. As you can see, it has almost the same color as my coffee table. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also edit your furnitures by tapping on them, so you can customize it to your liking by tapping on it, tapping on edit. And as you can see, I can change the material and the colors and everything, so I can make it look the style I would appreciate. And I think this is a very nice feature to see if a furniture would fit your room's style or size or not. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.